You've invested in a top-of-the-line flow meter, but the data coming back is a nightmare. Why is your precision equipment failing you? Whether you chose a magnetic, vortex, or ultrasonic meter for its precision, even the best technology is only as good as its environment. Erratic readings and inconsistent data aren't always a hardware failure. Often, the issue is invisible. Before you blame the vendor, look at your piping layout. The answer usually lies in the physics of the flow. This is the turbulence nightmare. Placing a meter too close to a disturbance creates a chaotic environment the sensor simply cannot interpret. Installing a meter immediately after an elbow, valve, or pump introduces heavy turbulence and swirling. Flow meters are designed to measure a stable, predictable flow profile. Measuring turbulence directly results in unreliable data. To move from chaos to order, the solution isn't a new meter, it's better placement. By optimizing the installation, we move from a turbulence nightmare to a clean, laminar flow profile. The golden rule? Maintain unobstructed pipe lengths upstream and downstream. This allows turbulence to settle into a smooth profile before reaching the sensor. Follow the 10D, 5D guideline. Provide 10 pipe diameters of straight run upstream and 5 diameters downstream. Pro tip: always consult your specific manual. Requirements can vary by measurement technology and manufacturer. In engineering, the truth is simple. A cheap meter installed correctly beats an expensive meter installed poorly every single time. Contact us today if you're facing a challenging situation with your flow computing.